I made this professional looking affiliate website in just 5 minutes, totally free. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I got messages from some of you saying, I'm a beginner and I don't know how to make affiliate website. I don't have any special skills, I don't know how to code. So how can I make professional looking affiliate website? So today I'm going to show you exactly that. So you need to watch entire video very carefully because I'm going to show you step by step how to make these websites and also how to promote these websites. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. And that niche should be something that you're familiar with, something that you know, something that you understand, because it is much easier to promote products if you actually know what you're talking about. And also really important, you must stick to that one niche. Okay, so next thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. And for that you can use Digistore24, you can use JVZoo, Warrior Plus or any other affiliate network. But for this example, I'm going to use Clickbank. And let's say I'm in weight loss niche. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on health and fitness. And what you need to do next is you need to research all of these products. You need to check their sales pages, their affiliate tools pages. You need to read some reviews and so on and so on. And then based on those data, you will decide which of these products you actually wish to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, the Smoothie Diet 21-day rapid weight loss program. Okay, here you can see on average I can make $28 per sale. Gravity is 271. And what I need to do, I actually need to open their sales page in a new tab. And actually when you check their sales page, you will see this is actually a good sales page. And like I mentioned many times in my previous videos, sales page is really important because it can make a difference between making a sale and making no sales at all. That is why sales pages are really important. And also another thing is we are going to need their sales page, and you will see in a minute why. So what I need to do, I actually need to go back on Clickbank and I need to click here on promote. And then what I need to do, I need to click here on generate hook link. And then this is my Clickbank affiliate link. And like I said, you can successfully use this method on Digistore24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Kickstarter or any other affiliate network. So now when I have my product and when I have my affiliate link, next thing I need to do, I need to make a professional affiliate website. The reason why we are building affiliate websites and not a bridge page is because many of these big companies like Facebook, Google, Bing, and so on, they actually prefer affiliate websites, bridge websites, because they provide more value, they provide more information about these products. And that is why they prefer affiliate websites and not bridge pages. And that is why you need to build a bridge website. And you can build these websites in ClickFunnels, in Kartra, in WordPress, and so on and so on. But I'm guessing that most of you are beginners and you don't have money to invest in these website builders. And one of the best alternatives is actually Canva. And you can come on Canva and you can register for a free account. And after that, what you need to do, you need to hover over templates, and then here on business category, you can see websites. You need to click here on websites, and Canva will give you website templates that you can edit any way you want. And here you can see categories, and when you scroll here, you can click here on free. And Canva will give you only a free website templates. And all you have to do is just scroll through these templates until you find the one that is best, that suits the best for your own product. So let's say, for example, this one here, when I click on it, I will actually get a preview of this template. And what I need to do next is I need to click here on customize this template. And now I can actually customize literally everything on this template. So let me just close this. And here you can see, first thing I need to do, I need to add my logo now because I don't have logo. So I will just click here and then click here on delete, and I don't need that. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to change a background image because my website should be about smoothies, not the mountains. So what I can do is I can simply click here on elements and then just click here smoothie. Type here smoothie. Okay, smoothie, click here on smoothies and then click here on photos. And let's say I wish to use this one here. So let me just make it fit to my template. Okay. And now I need to add my text here, title. So for that I can simply go back to their sales page and I can, let's say, copy this, Control C, go back here, and I can just paste it here, and I will just delete this, okay, and I will just drag this to make it wider, just like this, okay, and I will actually make these letters white. So I will click here and say white, and it is still not that visible. So what I can do is I can also click here on effects, and let's say this, okay, and intensity maximum, and it's now much more visible. Just play with these options just to see all the things that you can do. And now I need to scroll here, and I need to add, okay, I need to delete my logo again. If you have your logo, add your logo. I don't have my logo, so I just delete that. And I can go back on their sales page again, and I can scroll through their page to find the text that I can use, okay? 21 days to a slimmer, sexier you, okay? I can just click here, Control C, and I can delete this, and I can paste that here, okay? And I can just drag it to enlarge it, just like this, okay? And I can also reposition this, okay? And you can change the text style if you wish, but I don't want to do that. And again, I need to change this photo. Now, if you cannot find the royalty-free photo here on Canva, what you can do is you can simply click here on pixels. For example, let's just say smoothie again. Okay, smoothie, and then click here search, and I will find royalty-free photos here on pixels directly here on Canva. Canva will pull these photos directly. So let's just say I wish to use this one here. I will just click on it, and I can just drag it here, and I will just drag it to enlarge it, and just like this, okay? And this now starts to look like my website, smoothie related website. And here you need to add more pages, you need to customize all of these pages. It's not that difficult, just go on their sales page, and here you can find all the text that you need. You can copy this also, you can copy one of these bonuses, you can copy this here, or you can simply retouch some of these texts, some of these details, and then add them to your website. And if you wish to delete one of these pages, just click here on this trash can, and again, and again, and you will delete all of these pages. Now you're probably wondering, well, how will I make money with this? How will I add my affiliate link? And let's say I wish to use different text styles, so I will just delete this, okay, and delete this, and I will also delete this. And just click here on text style, and I need to choose one of these text styles, so let me just go through this. Okay, let's just go scroll through this to find the right text style for me. There is still not one that I wish to use. Let's say this one here, for example, okay? So I will delete this, and I will add my text here. I already prepared some text, so let me just drag this to make it fit to my template, and I will just make it smaller, and I will move it here, and I will also make it center, okay? And now I need to add a call to action. So what I can do is I can again just add text field here, and I can delete this, and I can replace it with something like this, okay? Something like this, make it a bit smaller, and I will just reposition it here a bit larger, okay? And I will make it center, and now I need to add my affiliate link. So what you need to do, you need to actually click here on these three dots, and okay, I forgot to actually highlight this. You need to highlight this, and then click here on these three dots, and then click here on this link, okay? And I can simply copy my Clickbank affiliate link, Control C, and I can paste it here, okay? Paste, and then press enter, and that's it. I added affiliate link, my affiliate link to this website. And like I said, you need to play with this website, see all the things that you can do. You need to replace all of this text here, all of these images. You can even add some videos if you want. You can find royalty-free videos on Pixels or on Pixabay as well. And after you finish everything and you're satisfied how your website looks, all you have to do is just click here in upper right corner on Publish Website. And here you can choose a style: personal, scrolling, classic navigation, standard. I prefer standard, so click here on standard, and when I click here on open website, you can see how your website looks. And actually I already made this website, and here you can see how this website looks, okay? And when I click here, this looks much better. This looks like a professional website. And this is my call to action, and when someone click here, it will come to their sales page, and if they buy this product, I'm going to earn a $28 per sale on average. And when you go back here, and let me just close this, and when you click here on these three dots here you can see share a link, and this is the link to your website. Now this is a really important part of this video. Now if you are a free member, you can only get a Canva subdomain for your website. If you are pro member, you can actually add your own domain. Now to be honest with you, adding your own domain is always a better option. So you should consider to add a custom domain to actually get a pro account on Canva. But if you are a beginner, then free account on Canva and a Canva subdomain is quite fine until you start making some money, and then you should switch to a pro version of Canva and then add a custom domain, okay? So now when you have your product and when you have your affiliate website, now you need to actually start promoting this website, start driving traffic. Now, to be honest with you, best option by far to promote these affiliate websites are Google Ads. But because I'm guessing that most of you are beginners and you don't have money to pay for Google Ads, then best alternative is social media. And for example, when you come here on Instagram and type here smoothie, you will see there is lots of smoothie related pages. And that means there is lots of people who are actually interested in smoothies and weight loss here on Instagram. And for example, I just open this one here, this first one in a new tab, just to check it out. Here you can see this page has 166,000 followers. They have a decent engagement, which means they are actually making sales, and they actually have a link in their bio. And you can either pay these influencers here in your niche to promote your affiliate website, or you can easily start your own Instagram page and you can grow that page. In my previous video, I showed you how you can grow your Instagram pages really quickly and 100% free. And I also showed you in some of my videos how you can easily make Instagram posts and also Instagram Reels videos totally free in just 5 minutes. And also another thing that you can use is you can use TikTok. TikTok is fastest growing social media. And here you can see when you search smoothie recipes, look at this, 6 million views, 3 million views, 3 million views. Here you can see 66 million views, and so on and so on, which means smoothies and weight loss is really popular on TikTok. And also what you can do is you can go on Pinterest. Here you can see there is lots of pins related to smoothies. And also, like I said in my previous videos, I showed you how you can make viral pins on Pinterest in just 5 minutes, totally free in Canva. And you can also use related Facebook groups, related forums, related blogs, Tumblr, and so on to promote your affiliate website. And you can apply this on any niche you want, on weight loss, on pets, on woodworking, on make money online, and so on and so on. And once you make your affiliate website, your bridge website, what you need to do, you need to use all of these to drive as much as you can traffic to as fast as you can to your affiliate website. And trust me, if you do that in your first month, you will start seeing results. You will start making sales. You will start making money. And then you can go on Canva, switch on Pro version, and then add a custom domain. And later you can even use Google Ads to promote that bridge affiliate website and start making even more money by scaling it up. So this is how you do affiliate marketing in 2022 as a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.